government of India is running several campaigns, and as a part of that campaign I am here to discuss with you several female rights, women rights and entitlements which you must know. There are several rights which our government of India gives us. Now it is up to us how we use those rights and when we use those rights. Good.
Girls are specially judged on their
Judged on. We are judged on the basis of our clothes. Okay? And it is to be in this group. That we need to be safe, not only outside the house, in fact inside the house also. So you need to be safe. You need to feel safe. And most of the times we are at home, so if we are not safe at homes, then what is the point? So the government of India gives us this right that we can file our reports against any kind of domestic violence, and that domestic violence includes not only physical beatings, economic crunch, mental beatings or mental torture, emotional harm. Okay, so all these things, they come under the category of domestic violence, and you can file a report. But do you really know any helpline number which pertains to the safety and security of females? Acha, it ought to be, and I would use the term, the females are trained since their beginning that this property is not yours. This property is your brother's, right? So this property belongs to your brother, but you actually have a right in the inherited property and the property which has been owned by the father only, not in the ancestral property, but in the property of the father. The females, the girls, they have the right. Okay, वो अलग बात है कि प्यार में आकर के, ट्रेनिंग में आकर के हम दे देते है ना, बट मुझे लगता है कि ये इट इज अप टू द फीमेल्स. If they think that the brother is not treating them properly, they should. And if the brother is treating them with respect, with honor, so there is no harm as such. I am talking about the social norms, because we have to live in society also. We can't cut off, because normally what happens, if you take your right, then you break all the connections with your maternal family. We don't want that kind of thing also happening, because we have to live in a female. Not only stalking, पीछा करना तो है ही है जो. Even if a boy stares at a female with an inappropriate eyes, that also comes under crime against women. Okay? So, boys, please behave. Okay? But with these things, I would also like to add one thing here. Girls, you are given, we all of us are given so many rights, but don't misuse them. What we are seeing today happening, the misuse of these rights. If Government of India has given us certain rights, please use them, don't misuse them. Okay? So this is my message. Other than that, it is our right to be informed, and we should be informed of our rights. Second, as for speak up, this is herein lies the problem with the females. हम भी बोलेंगे, ऐसे हो जाएगा, वैसे हो जाएगा. Speak up. If you see any kind of exploitation, if you see anything which is not happening according to your likes and wishes, जिसमें आपकी सेफ्टी. सेकंड, seek support. Sometimes females they think that I am alone, nobody is with me. How will I manage all these things by my own? So there are so many organizations, there are so many NGOs, non-government organizations, which are there for the helping of females. For the help of females, so many NGOs are working. So seek support. Then RED, report any violation. R for report any violation. It is not required that you find that something is happening with you only and then only you will speak up and then only you will